Hello, good morning student. Now today we solve question number 5 from the exercise number 28. Okay. So question number 5 is find the area of an isosceles triangle with parameter 36 and the base is given 16 centimeter. Question number 5, parameter is given 36 and base is given 16 centimeter. Okay, two datas are given. Now we solve this question. Okay, so the formula of isosceles triangle is 1 by 4 b under root 4a square minus b square. Okay, base is given 16 and parameter is given 36. A, B, C. Parameter is equal AB plus BC plus CA. Parameter 36. AB plus BC plus AB plus CA plus BC. So 36 AB plus CA plus BC is given 16. So 36 minus 16 AB plus CA means 20. AB plus CA means this side is given 16 and total parameter is given. So first we find AB plus CA is equal 20, and we know that in isosceles triangle both sides will be equal. So 20 ka half is equal 10 means this side will be 10 and this side will be 10. So with the help of parameter we can find the equal side of the triangle. So that is 10. Now formula is 1 by 4 b under 4a square minus b square. B means base, that is given 16. A is equal side, so that is 10 minus 16 square. 16 means b is equal 16 given. B means base. Okay. Now solve it. 10 square is equal 100. 16 square 256. 4 4s are 16. 400 minus 256. 4 into 144. 4 into 12 is equal 48 centimeter square. The area will be 48 centimeter square. Okay. So first we find the equal side of the triangle, that is 10. Then we put the value in the isosceles triangle formula, that is 1 by 4 b under 4 square minus b square. B means base, that is given 16, and A is the equal side 10. Then put the value, so your answer will be 48 centimeter square. Understand? Okay, now we solve question number 11. Question number 11 is each equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeter greater than the height. Means the height, suppose height is x, then the equal side will be x plus 4. If the base is given 24 centimeter, calculate the parameter and the triangle of the area of the triangle. Parameter find करना है and area find करना है. Okay, so in this question it is given that the equal side is 4 more than the height. So let's suppose the height is x, then equal side will be x plus 4, because we assume that this is x, then this will be x plus 4, this will be x plus 4, and base is given 24 centimeter. So according to isosceles triangle property, the perpendicular divide into two equal parts means 24. So this will be 12 and this will be 12 means 12 and 12. BD is equal 12 and DC equal 12 because it is an isosceles triangle. So both it divide into two equal parts. Now we use one Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD we use Pythagoras theorem. So AB hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse x plus 4 square is equal AD square means height square x square plus BD is given 12 square. Now we use formula A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then x square 12 square is equal 144. Then x square and x square cancel. So 16 plus 8x is equal 144. So 8x is equal 120, 8x is equal 16. The value of x is equal 16. Now AB is equal AC what? X plus 4 and x plus 4 means equal side is x plus 4 and value of x is 16. So put the value of 16 here. So 16 plus 4 is equal 20 means equal side will be 20 centimeter. Now you have to find the parameter of the triangle. Parameter means sum of all three sides. So AB plus AC plus BC. Put the value of AB, AC and BC. AB 20, AC 20 and BC given 24. So add all the three, so 64 means area parameter of the triangle will be 64. Now you have to find the area of the triangle. So it is an isosceles triangle. So formula is 1 by 4 b under root 4a square minus b square. B means base, that is given 24. A is equal side, that is 20 and b is equal base. Now solve it. So 4 6 are 24 and 20 square 400, 400 into 4 600, 600 minus 24 square is equal 576. So minus this, so 1024. Then find the square root of this, then multiply 6, so we get the answer 192. Okay, simply calculation is there. So this is the solution of question number 11. Okay, now we solve question number 12. Calculate the area and the height of an equilateral triangle whose parameter is 60. Okay, you have to find the area and height of equilateral triangle whose parameter is given 60. Okay, in the equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. Okay, all three sides are equal and it is given that the parameter of an equilateral triangle is given 60 and all three sides are equal means x. So 3x is equal 60. So x is equal 60 by 3 is equal 20. So we divide 60 in 3. So we get the answer 20 means side will be 20. Now the area of the triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is given 20. So 20 square is equal 400. 4 1 is 4. So 100 into value of root 3 is 1.73 to multiply it. So we get 173.2 means the height will be 173.2. Understand? Okay, so 100 into 1.732 means 173.2. So area of the equilateral triangle will be 173.2. Now you have to find the height. So formula is 1 by 2 base into height is equal, area is 173.2. Area is equal 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 base that is 20. So 20 into h is equal 173.2 tangent. So h is equal 17.32 means height will be 17.32. Understand? Means first we find the side of the equilateral triangle, then area of the equilateral triangle, then we find the height of the equilateral triangle. Understand? Okay, now we solve question number 14. If the difference between the sides of the right angle triangle is 3 cm and its area is 54 cm square, find its parameter. Okay, difference between the sides of the right angle triangle is given 3 cm. Okay, students, so suppose the one side is x and the second side is x minus 3. Okay, because it is given the question that the difference between the two sides is 3. So when we take x and second is x minus 3, so x minus 3 is equal 3, means the difference between the two sides is 3. So we can take x and x minus 3. Now the formula is 1 by 2 base into height, that is given 54. So base is suppose base is x and this is x minus 3. Height is x minus 3 is equal 54. Now cross multiply, so x square minus 3x is equal 108. Then transfer this 108. Now this is the quadratic equation, x square minus 3x minus 108 is equal 0. Now factorize this, so 12 minus 9 is equal 3 and 12 9 is 108. then take x common x minus 12, then take 9 common, x minus 12 is equal 0, then take x minus 12 common, so x plus 9 is equal 0. So we take only positive value, that is x is equal 12. Okay, so base will be 12, means this side will be 12, and this is x minus 3, means 12 minus 3 is equal 9, means this side will be 9, this is 12 and this is 9 when we put the value of x. Now the third side we can find by Pythagoras theorem, means 12 ka square plus 9 ka square is equal hypotenuse square. 12 square plus 9 square, so we get 15, means hypotenuse will be 15 centimeter. Then we have to find the parameter of the triangle. Parameter means sum of all these three sides, 9 plus 12 plus 15. All three sides. Parameter means sum of all three sides. So 9 plus 12 plus 15. So we get 36 centimeter. So parameter 36 and x is equal 12. Means we have to find the sides. So 9, 12 and 15, three sides. And the parameter is 36 centimeter. Understand? Note down this question.